Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am outside today in my yard and I thought I'd come on to show you all how I found the easiest way to grow a ton of basil. Basil is one of the things that I struggled with in the beginning. I couldn't get it to grow no matter what I did until I found out this little bitty trick. As soon as I got some basil, I knew how to get more. So I'm going to share that with you all today.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay guys, we are back. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. And I would like to thank all of my channel members for just being loyal and faithful and all the support that you all give me so that I can continue to do what I do. If you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Okay, so what is this little basil trick I've been doing? Okay, so over here is my basil growing, and I've just started some new starts from seeds actually, and that's purple basil down here. Got more basil growing over here, and I have some more in some other containers. So once it gets like this, I just go ahead and take a piece of the basil and let me see, pinch it off. Let me cut this off right quick. Let's see here. Just snip it off right close to the main vine. Okay, so we have this piece right here. Once you have your piece of basil, take all your little stems off. Pinch them all off. All but a couple at the very top. All but a couple at the very top. Then, this is what you have. Then get you some water, any water. I typically use a water bottle. Stick it down in there. Sit it in a windowsill or a nice sunny spot, and then after a few days you end up with this, all those roots. From there, I just go ahead and take this and put it back in my pots, and then it continues to grow from there. So I just find me a little spot, push me a little hole down in there, stick her on down in there, stick her down, almost to the flower part, just like that. And in a few more weeks, well, usually it's maybe about a week or two, I have a bush of basil like this. Okay, so that was quick, simple, and easy. See, you can grow lots and lots of bagels. Y'all know I'm hungry, okay? Bagels and cream cheese, I'm headed inside for it shortly with my coffee. But basil is what we're talking about. So, quick and easy. I struggled for a long time, at least over 2 years, trying to get basil, and it would grow. But then I couldn't get an abundance of it until I started propagating it, and it was so easy. Those roots literally came in about 3 to 4 days. I could see roots starting. So I could have, took it out even before it got that many roots, but I got busy, as we all do, and it sat there. But it was so easy and simple. And then when I put those in there, I get another piece and do the same thing, and that's how I get so much basil, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing, and I don't need any more seeds. Eventually I probably will. We'll see. I'm not sure that it will overwinter. I don't think it will, but you know me, if it's still growing, I am not pulling it up. So we'll see how that does over the winter as well. Okay, everybody, thank you so much once again for coming and hanging out with me today here in my garden. Zone 7B. Don't think I said that in the beginning. Yes, Zone 7B. Again, just go subscribe. Y'all, I'm tongue-tied. I'm hungry. I need to just cut this and get in the house and eat. Y'all, subscribe and hit the button, and I will see you all next time. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.